Curious about the best free online learning platforms? Stay tuned to discover how you can learn anything without spending a dime. Ever feel like your brain is a sponge, thirsty for more knowledge, but your wallet's as dry as a desert? We've all been there, right? Well, I've got some good news for you. You don't need to break the bank to quench that thirst for knowledge. Today I'm diving into the best free online learning platforms that'll feed your brain without emptying your pockets. These platforms are perfect for anyone looking to expand their horizons. Whether you're looking to pick up a new skill, ace your exams, or just learn something cool, these platforms have got you covered. From academic subjects to creative arts, there's something for everyone. First up, we've got Coursera. This one's a no-brainer. It's a powerhouse of knowledge. With top-notch courses from prestigious universities like Stanford and Yale, you'll be swimming in quality content. Imagine learning from the best professors in the world, right from your home. Plus, they offer certifications that can boost your CV. These certificates can make a real difference in your career prospects. Next, there's edX, offering courses from Harvard and MIT. It's like having access to Ivy League education for free. The variety here is insane. From computer science to humanities, they've got it all. You can dive into any subject that piques your interest. Khan Academy is another gem, especially if you're tackling school subjects. It's a fantastic resource for students of all ages. Their interactive exercises and instructional videos make learning super engaging. You'll find yourself enjoying subjects you once found challenging. And if coding's your thing, Free Code Camp is your go-to. It's a haven for aspiring developers. Not only do they offer comprehensive coding lessons, but you can also work on real-world projects to build your portfolio. It's a great way to gain practical experience. Allison is perfect if you're after free certifications. It's a versatile platform with a wide range of courses. Their courses cover everything from health to business, and you can even get diplomas to flaunt your new skills. It's a fantastic way to showcase your learning. Then there's Skillshare, which is a treasure trove for creative souls. If you're into arts and crafts, this is the place for you. Think graphic design, photography, and even cooking, all taught by industry professionals. You'll be learning from the best in the business. Finally, MIT OpenCourseWare is like having MIT in your living room. It's an incredible resource for anyone serious about their education. You can access actual course materials from one of the world's leading universities for free. It's like a dream come true for lifelong learners. So there you have it, the top 7 free online learning platforms that'll take your education to the next level. These platforms are game changers in the world of online education. Whether you're after free courses, top learning platforms, online education, or certifications, these sites have got you covered. Dive in and start learning today. Links to all these platforms are in the description below. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more awesome content. We're here to help you on your learning journey. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends who love learning. See you in the next one. Keep learning and growing.